So now the work is done. The boat has got a new teak deck, and let's have a look at it. And I just want to have a shout out to Vakuumteak in Väst for making a very great job on this boat. I'm impressed on how this old lady now looks close to new. So let's have a look. We have a new teak deck here, and we also have done a lot of other things here. We have a new furling rigging, the new furler, and also all the wires here, all the standing rigging are new. We got the new hatches, the 3 of them here. And what else have we done? Well, the door here on the side, we have the weak plate taken away and made solid teak planks instead, so much better and will last 40 new years, just as a new teak deck. We have a higher railing here in the aft. So let's see. This guardrail here is now about 50% higher than the original, and it will keep me much safer. And it also looks good. We have the height of this rail is at the same level as the height of the teak on the pilot house. Also, we have the Cradle here for the life raft. We're still waiting for the life raft though. And also in the back here, we have made an opening so it's easier access when you're coming with the dinghy. So now we have just this chain securing us, and earlier we had this solid teak rail all over. And also, let's have a look at what we have done back here, because here is our Hydrovane. So here it will be a red wind vane and a rudder down there. So self-steering for the boat, not consuming electricity, not making any noise, and also as a backup emergency rudder in case the hydraulics on the boat breaks down. We have this line here going all the way to the outside of the door, so we can adjust the wind vane, adjust the course from inside the pilot house. Why go out when it's raining and scary outside? I'd prefer to stay inside in conditions like that. So have we done anything more here? We have this beautiful deck. We have the new teak doors. We have all the new standing rigging, the new hatches, the new rolling furler system. We got on this the anchor winch here. We got control that measures the amount of chain that is outside, out in the water. So we have more control on that. We're having a new AIS. We had an AIS earlier, but it was just a receiver. Now we have also a receiver and a transmitter, so we can see the other boats, but the other boats can also see us. All these small things that we've done. And I just have one wish at the end of this video. Please do not ask in the comments below what this has cost me, because this has been ridiculously expensive. But it's worth it. It's worth any penny. Every penny. Every dime, cent, euro, or Swedish crowns. Yeah, you understand what I mean. You get it. Bye. Hey, one more thing. We are now in Sweden at the yard, and it's it's the middle of June 2025, and in about a week, then we are leaving. Then we are leaving for the long haul, and this year we're going from Sweden to Denmark to Germany, and we're ending up in the UK. So follow us this summer, and let's see what happens. Bye!